Hi everyone! Back for another round of step-by-step tutorials for you. Let me just fix my camera. It needs to be a little lower like that. Good morning. Happy second week of September. Hope you're all enjoying yourself. So I'm going to break these down a little bit differently than I did last time. It's still going to be like step-by-step, but just a little bit more in depth, I guess I'll put it that way. So primer, it's a crime not to prime. If you missed that video of mine, please go back. I show you why it's a crime not to prime and you need it in your life. So what I use is Touch Glorious Face Primer. Today I'm going to do my face a little bit differently than I've ever done before because I kind of want to show off how versatile our products are. So I'm going to use my stick foundation today. I am in Velour. So this is going to be like a super quick and easy on the go. Let me just find my foundation brush. On the go, quick and easy foundation application. So, oh, I rhymed, I didn't even mean to. I'm going to take my foundation stick. I'm just going to put it in a couple different places around my face. You don't need a lot of it, but I just like to spread it out so that I'm not dragging it with the brush and I'm just kind of blending it into my skin instead. So you take your foundation brush and get to work, as they say. So again, what I like about the foundation brush is it's super on the go friendly. You know, if you're thinking about like how to take cosmetics with you when you're traveling, because the airport is so strict about what kind of liquid you can carry with you. I don't take my liquid foundation with me anymore. I take my stick foundation and I just don't have to worry about what they're gonna say or them throwing my cosmetics away, because that has happened before. Let's be honest. So good to go. I'm gonna actually do a little bit of contouring differently, so stay tuned for the next video. But basically, in a nutshell, there's my quick base face. See ya.